Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the content sources Garry's mod needs. Open Steam, right-click Garry's mod, choose Properties, then Local Files to verify the install path, because incorrect paths cause missing textures. Once done, make sure you have mounted Counter-Strike, source or relevant source game content under add-ons or via the game's menu so the engine can access those textures. Also create a quick backup of garrismod/settings and add-ons. This prevents accidental loss while you swap files or install packs. Next, you install and prioritize the actual texture sources. Subscribe to reliable workshop texture packs or copy a CSS content pack into garrismod/add-ons so materials and models resolve. If you have multiple packs, keep the highest quality and most complete pack earlier in load order by renaming folders numerically. This avoids conflicts. Once you've moved conflicting add-ons out, launch Garry's mod in a clean session to test. This step ensures the engine reads correct VMT/VTF files instead of falling back to the missing texture checkerboard. Finally, you finalize and troubleshoot the fix. First, verify game integrity in Steam and clear garrismod/cache so stale files are removed, because corrupted VTF or VMT files cause missing textures. If textures persist, toggle SV Pure settings or disable it for local testing to allow custom content. Then re-download or manually replace the specific VTF/VMT files you identified. If problems remain, test a fresh Garry's mod, install on another account or machine to isolate local conflicts. This single test often reveals whether the issue is user content versus engine configuration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.